Welcome back to another episode of Command Blocks tutorial. I don't know how long it's been, but yeah, this is episode 5. I think the latest like uploads on this series, like I don't know, on April I think. Yeah, it's been like too long. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to summon entities, or just make any entities fly or do anything with motions NBT. So yeah, let's get into it. This is a really nice setup here. And so the first thing I'm gonna show you is how to make like any entity fly. Go to any entity, just I don't know, slash, oh shoot, this sheep doesn't wanna, okay, that's fine. So slash data merge. I mean, we're using slash data here because it's like about entity data. I don't know like why they use that, but yeah, it's something like that. Entity add e type equals sheeps. In this case, you can actually just put like any selector of yours, but make sure it's only one. So I'm gonna put limit is equal to 1 here, and then here's the following motion. Yeah, with the brackety tags, then just a square bracket. Okay, something like this, and you're gonna put your motions, and the motion you're gonna it's like gonna be double type of how do I say this? Data type double. Okay, I don't know how that works, but yeah, it's basically this. And the motion here is going to be relative to x, y, z coordinates. So I'm gonna put I don't know, 0 D, not 0 F. Okay, I made this mistakes before, and I don't want to tell you how it feels. Okay, 0 D, 1 D, and then just 0 D, just like what I think. Oops, where is the sheep? Wait, what the heck is that? Oh, it's that sheep over there. Oh, it died. It died. Sad. Okay. You know what? Let's just get the UUID here, because I don't think it's gonna be working out really great here. So there we go. You got the UUID, and you can actually just launch any animals. Like, yeah, just do whatever you want. Okay. So I'm gonna launch him, yeah, with sideways forward as well. That's why he died. That's why he died. Okay. So, and if you really want to, like, I don't know, do like multiple animals at once, you can actually just use slash execute as well. So we're gonna change this to as execute as e. Okay, this time we'll do chicken now. As run this, and there we go. Now the chickens fly. Yeah, I mean, you can actually just do like a ton of, I don't know, some amazing trolls or anything with this. But the only downside is you can't do this with players. Okay, I mean, if I try to modify my data entity at s, okay, or I mean, you try at p, but yeah, it's gonna say unable to modify player data. So I think that's only downside of this is you can't just do this with players. Okay, and the thing is, you can actually do it with projectiles as well. You can actually just do it with projectiles, and in this case I'm gonna use slash summon because I'm gonna summon an arrow. Summon arrow. Let's go with 2 blocks above us. Okay, and then just gonna do the same thing. Okay, motion 1B. Oh no, 1B. What do you mean 1B? It's not like, I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's get back here. 0D, 0D, 1D, and negative 2D. So it's gonna go that way. Okay. And I specifically set so that arrows glow in green. So yeah, look at that. You can just launch arrow like from your head. You can just change it to I don't know, snowball as well. Yeah, you can actually do anything with this. I don't know. I really just hope it's gonna go in the river, because I'm gonna try launching a TNT. Yeah, you actually just launch anything except player, of course. TNT. Oh shoot. I think I did this like a little bit incorrectly, but yeah. That's not supposed to happen. I mean, yeah, I mean, something could be like really quirky. I think because I didn't have like I didn't set the fuse. So let's try this again. with the fuse, of course. It's gonna be in ticks, so probably just go with, I don't know, 20. And there we go, it's gonna explode midair. You can actually just launch anything, like, which is really cool. And yeah, you can actually just build something like this. This is I don't know, a shooter thing. And yeah, you actually just do that. I mean, as you can see here, it's not even lined up properly. Like, just look at this, it's not even lined up. So you actually just do anything with this, except just launching players. Yeah, I mean, I don't know like why they would do that, like make you unable to launch players, but yeah, that's pretty much just sad. It's just so sad that we can't launch players. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's tutorial. It might be a little short, but yeah, you can actually just make anything with this. Yeah, as you guys please. Yeah, you can actually just modify everything. And yeah, I really hope that this is useful. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye guys!